Welcome, dear learners. We are on a wonderful knowledge sharing session. This time, this video series, is about boardroom skills. So, what's a boardroom and what are the things or skills we should have in a boardroom? And especially, we are going to discuss something like report structure. There's a difference between reporting structure and the structure of a report. Before we delve into today's actual topic, exact topic, let us see, but recap what we have studied. By the way, I'm Dr. Maharajan. So, we have seen what is effective communication. Effective communication includes clarity and conciseness. Or conciseness, in simple words, we call it brevity. Any communication should have clarity and it should be short and sweet. So, that's what we mean by conciseness. And the communication should be tailor-made to the audience. See, however good a communication is, it can maybe a written or oral or whatever type of communication. It should reach the audience. The purpose is to give the message to the audience. So, it should be of their interest. So, we need to know our audience so that we give the message accordingly. We customize the message effectively. Fine. So, we should, until unless necessary, we should avoid jargons. For example, instead of leverage synergies, we can say work together. Of course, if necessary, we can use the jargons, but it should be minimized. So, with this background, what is exactly we are going to discuss today? Can you guess this topic? On one side, we have empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test. Yes, you are right. These are the stages of design thinking. And the lower, the image on the lower side slide, it says introduction, background information, problem statement, research methods, solutions or recommendations, evaluation, benefits, and conclusion. Yes, if I guess it right, this is the structure of a report. How a report should be structured. So in any case, we make reports, organization reports, we call it management information system or by different other names. So we make particular report to be given to the other stakeholders. So that's very important. So why this report matters? What is the importance of these reports? So especially reports, see, the research shows reports influence 60% of executive decisions. So in a boardroom, is meant for taking decisions. The decisions, 60% of the decisions are influenced by the reports which are discussed, reports which are presented in the boardroom. Fine. And another research shows in reports, 40% of reports are structured reports. The reports can be very vague or sketchy, or they can be structured. Structured reports, it's very easy for the human mind to catch. Like, we'll see the structure. Improve understanding by 40%. Fine. We have many case studies. You can see. Sometimes the report, it should not conceal the key facts, especially key financial risks. Report should be clear and concise. Fine. So this is very, very important. Now we will see the actual structure of the report. What are the core elements? Core elements of a report. Fine. First thing is it should have a title page. What's the title page? What information should be there on title page? The title page includes the title of the report, because the title is like a face, for us our face is indicative of our mind, though the title is indicative of what is there in this report, what to expect in that report. The title should be short, it should be concise, and it should be relevant to the contents actually, basically. So includes the title, date, the author, and the recipient, whom it is intended, for clarity. Fine. Who is the author? What date the report has been prepared? Fine. Then executive summary. So executive summary is actually an overview. It's a bird's eye view. Generally it is one page overview of the purpose, the methods, key findings, and recommendations. Again, within the executive summary also it is structured. What is the purpose? We can make subheadings and write. Purpose, what is the purpose of this report? What are the methods used? What are the key findings and what are the key recommendations? Fine. That makes things easier. That makes other people's life easier also to understand what has been presented. Fine. So core elements, title page and executive summary. This gives our mind what to expect for in the report. So generally when you are going through a report, after seeing the title page and the executive summary, then you try to make out is it relevant to the person or not. If it's relevant, you will go through the details. Otherwise, we may not. Fine. Next, what are the other key elements? The core elements: introduction, methodology, and findings. Introduction, it defines the scope of the report, what the report covers and what it does not. Okay, what are the objectives? What the report intends to give, and the structure of the report, what it includes, something like table of contents or something. Then methodology gives details on data collection and what are the analysis tools or techniques used, qualitative or quantitative, these all things should be very clear. And findings present data clearly with charts, tables and graphs, what we call visualization. It's again, it makes our comprehension very easy. So through charts, tables and graphs, we can quickly and easily understand the report rather than just through text. Fine. Next, what do we have? What are the other key elements, core elements? After presenting, see here, after presenting the introduction, methodology and findings, then we go to the discussion. See, discussion is basically we analyze and interpret data and we can compare our data with the existing knowledge, maybe with our previous year reports, previous period reports, or with our competitors and other things. So we discuss how this report is relevant in the broader context. That's what is discussion. Then we give the conclusion. Conclusion is a simple summary of key insights and their implications. What are the key takeaways? We say take home, what are the things we can gain through this report? And recommendations. Remember, recommendations should not be very vague. It is not that we should improve our marketing strategy. No, it should be actionable. It should be doable. Okay, we should provide actionable steps as conclusions. So our budget should be increased by 20%. For example, our advertising budget should be increased by 10%. It should be recommendations, should be actionable. That's very, very important. Now let us test what we have studied so far. Fine. So question number 1, what are the 3 key elements of executive summary? Try to find the answers. Question number 2, what is the methodology section important in my report? Fine. Or question number 3, why does report structure matter to a board member? Clear? Try to find the answers. And in summary, what are the key takeaways? A report should be clear and it should have credibility. So structure enhances the understanding. So it should have unique roles. Each section of your reports or each part of your report, it gives a clear content and essential role. For example, the title section, the methodology section, they were specific. It should be specific information should be contained in them. And it should be audience focused. We can say it's some design thinking approach here. It should be of interest, it should be relevant to the audience. Fine. So for the future references, we are given online references like Harvard Business Review, McKinsey reports and all. And there are books, say it with chart, that is on visualization. So you can go through. So happy learning. Dr. Maharajan signing off.